Pi coin valued at $100, selling and buying items with Pi. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Pi lifestyle economy and how you can start selling and buying stuff with the Pi that you've mined. But before I jump in, consider subscribing. It's no cost to you and you get notified on future videos that I make. As Pi has progressed, there's an economy that has sprung up over it. This economy, the Pi lifestyle, primarily functions on Discord, but they also have an app, which I'll show you later in the video. I have a link to the server in the description. They have set a static value for the currency, making 1 Pi worth $100. The whole basis to the economy, though, is trust. The more transactions you complete, the higher your trust level goes. Since only a few people are able to transfer Pi, you are essentially promising to pay the Pi back when you make a purchase. Someone who has the ability to transfer Pi will pay the seller back on your behalf. To make sure people don't just dump their Pi, it is generally the best practice to do one buying transaction and then a selling one. This way you're giving back to the economy and not just taking. To participate in the economy, you need to pay a monthly fee of 10 Pi for the first month and then 5 Pi for subsequent months, or $5 a month. You can sign up through the app and then message one of the founders on Discord, and they should process your application within 24 hours. Once you're accepted, you'll see a ton of channels that are different shops. And now I'm going to show you some of the shops and just give you a taste of what's available. So this is the server, the Pi Lifestyle server. This is the FAQ, which it has a bunch of answers to questions you might have. Then there's the actual text channels with the rules, announcements, also Pi transactions. This shows who has paid for what and who backed them. There's also a bunch of other channels which I'm not going to go through. And now I'm going to go into some of the stores. There is someone that is selling honey. They've shipped to several different countries. They're actually one of the larger sellers on this platform. As you can see right here, here's some of the honey that they've sent. There's also a person selling glasses for 0.15 Pi for 2 pairs. And there's several people that do graphic design. One person also sells pens, handmade pens. And you can buy those for different prices. This is 0.32 Pi, and so that would equal $32. So that's kind of around the range that you would expect. Also, if you don't really have any sellable talent that you want, you can always purchase items for people. Here is a new items for Pi section, and basically people put down different items that they want purchased for them on their behalf and shipped to them, and you can just click the link to the product and purchase it for them. It comes with $10 plus items all the way up to $100 plus items. Down here is the pre-owned goods section, so if you have a used item you can sell it there. So yeah, there's a bunch of different stores that I'm not going to go through, but that's just a little sample of the different stores that there are. Now I'm going to show you through the Pi Lifestyle app. When I first downloaded it, I was greeted with it asking to allow my location. I've turned that off for now, but this app is a little buggy and isn't as aesthetically pleasing as the Pi Network app, but it gets the job done. Here's what it looks like in action. This is the Pi Lifestyle app. As you can see, it has a bunch of different drop downs, the FAQ, also transactions, This shows the leaderboard for who has the most transactions. Next is the information section. This has news, podcasts, websites, facts, all loads of stuff. Then the Pi Social. This is the Pi Lifestyle Social where people can make posts. This is where auctions take place. So users might auction off an item they have, and how you bid is through the comments. So you can bid by placing a bid that's 0.01 pi over the previous bid. So for this one it's 1.49 pi, so I'm going to do 1.5. Next is the Pi Stores tab. This is a more visually appealing way of looking for stores, though from what I've seen on it, there's not as many as on the Discord server, and it's a lot harder to navigate. So here you can just see what I mean by the... So here you can just press on it. There's a description, and there's usually a review or two and contact information. Here you can see the memberships for Pi. The way to fill out the membership form is to go down here, click memberships for Pi, and then enter in your information there. There's also a membership cancellation, so anytime you might not want to do it again. There's also a seller's form. That you can do. And so yeah, that's basically it. It also has in-app chat, but I don't really use it because it's just kind of annoying to use this app for a long period of time. I just use it basically to do auctions. But it's a cool app. So in conclusion, this economy is a great way to buy and sell items and services with Pi, and the more you participate, the more you give Pi value. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Have a great day.